Hello, I'm Jason Bates, owner of Electrum Financial, where a mortgage is not just a flip of the coin. If you're looking to refinance or looking to purchase, I would certainly love to be your lender of choice in the state of Arizona. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'd appreciate that support. Hit that like button or that notification bell. We'd appreciate that as well. If you're watching this on Roku or on Amazon Fire Stick, please write a review of the channel and share it with your friends and family. We'd appreciate that support as well. So, word of the day. Frustration. A lot of frustration out there, from realtors to lenders to appraisers to title companies, buyers, sellers. There's frustration all around. It's very abundant out there right now. Word of wise to the realtors, hey, don't let that frustration, that energy pass along to the buyer or the seller, as that's not going to do them any good whatsoever. I'm seeing that happen. In fact, I just had a buyer go out this past weekend, go to an open house, and in the open house, not even an hour long, an hour old, 4 offers came in, 2 of which were cash. Right now, average days on market on the price range between $250,000 to $400,000. So all homes between $250,000 and $400,000. Average days on the market here in the Phoenix metropolitan area is 8 days. And of those, 43% are getting above ask price. Now, ask price, above ask price is not ask price. Almost said a bad word there. Above ask price is not that far off, quite honestly. I know you may have heard some stories. You got to offer $10,000, $20,000, $15,000 above ask price. Ask price, not the case. In fact, the average above ask price, why is that so hard for me to say? Above ask price is right now $5,100. So not too far above ask price there. Now, keep a calm head. I can't say that enough. Get a good team together that's going to help you keep that calm head. If you're a buyer, if you're a seller, especially if you're an agent, that's your job, agent. So please keep a calm head. Some tips. Let's go over some tips to help with this frustration that's going on out there, because I'm frustrated too. So part of that is just when your lender's asking for something, get it to them as quickly as possible. Don't delay that. Get that to them ASAP. If your agent is asking something of you, get that to them as well. No delays on your part. I know that can be tough sometimes with life and things that are happening, kids being homeschooled, whatever. Totally get it. However, try to get that information to your lender and to your realtor as quickly as possible. Try to anticipate things. If you're an agent, try to educate your buyer on anticipating some things that will come up, because inevitably they will come up. No question about it. We got to remember, we're in the middle of a pandemic. This hasn't gone away yet, although it's starting to relax a little bit, but it hasn't gone away. So lenders are a little fearful about what's happening. So they're going to ask for some additional documentation about your employment to make sure you're still employed and you're still making the same amount of money, your hours haven't been cut, so on and so forth. So there's some extra documentation that's going to be required of you if you're purchasing a home. So get that information over to them. Other thing that can be done is, before you start going out there and looking for a home, get with your lender and get them to get the information over to the lender so it's already pre-qualified. The income's already been underwritten, everything's already done. You just have to go out then and search for a home. Now, this is going to do 2 things. First of all, it's going to release some of the tension that's going to involve trying to close within 30 days, because that's very difficult right now with the turn times that are happening and just the amount of volume that these lenders are trying to deal with. But secondly, it's also going to make your offer stand out. You know, I remember back in 2006, 2007, well, I should say 2008. Sorry, my notifications there. But back in the crash, a lot of agents were advising their clients, and rightfully so, to write a resume to accompany their offer when making an offer on a home. When you're in a multiple offer situation, it doesn't hurt to say, hey, we're going to raise a family in this home. We're going to grow in this home. We're going to really love this home. Because you got to remember, when you're dealing with a seller, they love this home. This is their castle, a lot of memories, and they're having to part with those memories. So if you're a buyer coming in, no seller wants to hear that you're going to tear down their house and tear down their memories. So you may want to offer some kind of, resume or some kind of love letter, if you will, for the house to make your offer stand out. That'll help you outbid some people right now, or make your offer stand out above the crowd. So a little tip there, a little tip from the lending side: get those finances in order, get it over to the underwriter so that you've got that much less to do once you get under contract. So hopefully that helps with the word of the day, which is frustration. We want to minimize that for sure. So get with a professional team and your frustration will be minimized.